Hey guys, how are you doing? So today I've got quite a big haul for you today, and it's from Cherryz. Now, I was gifted this stuff, so this is #AdGifted. They asked me to pick out a few things and show you guys. So if you don't know, Cherryz is like an online discount store. The tagline is literally everyday essentials for less. This is a massive old box and it's quite heavy, so I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. Got my knife, so I'm gonna cut away. I have to say, they've used very thick tape. I can barely cut into it. There we go. And it's good that it comes in like a cardboard box, because then it is recyclable. So what have we got inside? I need my phone, because then I can tell you the prices, because I've got the Cherryz app. I'm just going to delve in because there's quite a lot to get through. So first off is this. Now I'm going to open it. This is a 2-tier lunchbox. Let me just put that there for now. How much? Oh, it just fell back right in. How much were you? So this was £1.50, which is like so good. Basically, at the moment, I like to take sandwiches to work when I go to work. Half in, half out the office at the moment. And I use, what do you call it? Tinfoil to like wrap them and then just put them in my bag. But that's like, although tinfoil is recyclable, it's still quite a lot of waste. So I thought it's best to get like a lunchbox Tupperware container that I can put stuff in, and it would actually be quite good because I take like tomatoes and stuff as well, so I could kind of put that in here as well. So I can put as you can see, so there's like a closure there at the front, opens up like this, and then you've got another compartment underneath, so that's quite good to keep sandwiches in. And I thought for £1.50 that is like quite good. Next thing is this notepad, and this was £1.50, and you also get a pen with it. Ooh. So at work I go through notepads like crazy, and I do work for a charity, so I try not to use their notepads. Because I like do a lot of writing on notepads of notes and like phone calls and things like that. So I just got this. It's got this geometric design, and it says totally organised on it, and it's just a lined one like that, and then it comes with this pen. It's like pink. I didn't think it was going to be pink, but it's fine. I don't know what the colour of the pen is. I doubt that is pink, but yeah. £1.50 for like a hard-sided notebook. That's good. I got a silicone spoon. If you watched any of my Come Shop With Me's or vlogs, you'll know that I've been on a hunt for like a silicone spoon to replace wooden spoons. This was £2, so not too bad. And yeah, I can use this in the when I'm doing, you know, the cooking. For like pasta sauces and stuff like that in my saucepans. Next thing is I've actually got 2 Lynx items. Now I thought this one, I'll show you this one first. I thought this was quite interesting. So this is Lynx Africa, but Marmite and Marmite basically, and this I believe, so this was £1. And I was really intrigued on what this is going to smell like. So it's just a shower gel, 250ml, so it's really good for £1. But I was really intrigued on what it's going to smell like. I'm a lover of Marmite. You might not be. But, oh, you can. Like, you got the Africa smell, you know, that classic Africa smell. And then, like, there's an underlayer of Marmite. So we'll see what that's like in the shower. I'm guessing it's not going to be the consistency of Marmite, because that would be weird. And then I also got this Lynx Urban Messy Looks Flexible Paste, so a hair product. This was £2.50, just looks like that. I'm not going to touch it. I've never had, oh, it smells quite nice. I've never had a Lynx hair product before, so I was really interested to try those, or that. Next I got this Body Shop shower gel. This was £1.50 and you get 60ml. This one is in the Shea Butter, which I know is a scent I do like. Let me just open it. Has it got a seal on it? Oh no, it hasn't. Do really like that. It's just a nice clean scent, and this is a shower cream, so it's a bit thicker than a gel, or it's more creamier than a gel. And this will be really useful because I'm going on a holiday soon, just in this country, so that would be really nice just to take as a travel shower gel. And I actually got another Body Shop one as well. This is just a normal shower gel in the strawberry. This just reminds me so much of my mum used, well, being a child, because my mum always used to buy Body Shop shower gels, and the strawberry one is just a classic scent. That was also £1.50. They had quite a few Method products on there, so I got this Method. It's the hand wash, and it's plant-based actually. This was £1.90 and you get 354 mils on there, so that's quite a good amount for that price, and it's quite ergonomically designed. It's got like this cut out there, and you can just like put your thumb in it and then do the washing, and it's one on the back as well, so you can kind of do that. That's interesting, and I was quite interested to see or to try Method products, because I've actually never tried any Method products and everybody raves about them. And this is in the Go Naked scent, so let me have a sniff of that. So yeah, it's just literally as it would suggest, Go Naked, so it's very unfragranced. I then got a Method cleaning product. So this is the Method multi-surface non-toxic surface cleaner in the Go Naked scent again. So it just looks like this in like the minimal branding. This was £2.25. It says it's cut through grease and lime. Again, I was interested to try a Method cleaning product, and on Cherryz, they're obviously cheaper than you would buy in a regular store because it's all discounted. So I was interested to try that and give that a go. And again, that's got like an ergonomic design on it as well, and as it's a multi-purpose, I can use it on quite a lot of surfaces. I then got a mini fan. This was £3.50. I've got one of these already, but I wanted another one because I have my desk set up for my working at home over there. I say desk, it's my table. And I have my mini fan on there, and especially now we're in the summer, obviously I've not got air conditioning at home, and at work I am like taking that fan and putting it in my bag and then taking it to work. It's just in case I need it and stuff like that, because with the whole situation you can't really have fans on and like aircon that much, so I do get hot really easily, especially now as it is summer. I just wanted a little fan that I could just leave in my work bag. I don't have to worry about forgetting it. So this is it's a USB fan, so it just connects straight into your laptop, so you don't have to worry about it being needing pat testing or anything like that for work. So yeah, that's really good, and it's just like mini size, and £3.50 for that is a really good price. I then got another cleaning product. This is the Pink Stuff multi-surface cleaner as well. Heard a lot of stuff about the Pink Stuff as a brand. I'd never tried anything, so I thought I'd give this a go. This was £1, and how much do you get? You get 750 ml, so that's quite a good size for £1, and especially for a branded product like that. I then got some highlighters. These were £1.20, and they are just in some pastel colours. They're really nice colours. I love those. I love highlighting. I love highlighters. I love anything like that. I love stationery. I'm quite anal about stationery, and I don't like opening things, but I will open these and I will use them. I'm probably going to keep these ones in my work bag. And again, like, I'm working from home some days, working out in the office some days, so I want stuff to just leave in my work bag. So yeah, got some of those, got 4 for £1.20, so really good in really nice colours. Obviously that one is my fave. I got some cleaning wipes. I do love a cleaning wipe for cleaning. I thought these were very interesting. These were 90p, and they're baking soda wipes. Now I use bicarb soda quite a lot to get rid of stubborn stains on like worktops and like stuff like that. So I thought this was quite interesting. How many do we get in here? You get 40 wipes for 90p, so not too bad. Yeah, it was interesting to give those a go to see what the baking soda element of the wipe would be. I got a diffuser. I do love a diffuser. I've got a whole cupboard full of them. This was £1.15, so that's a really good price, and I got it in the Island Sunset scent. So I'm hoping this is quite like a nice fresh smelling scent, if I can get into it. Oh yeah, that's quite very nice, fresh, kind of like a bit oceany. Yeah, lovely, nice and fresh. Be excited to, I was going to say burn, but you don't burn a diffuser. What do you do with that? Let its scents expand? I don't know, you tell me. I then got a few simple products. There are quite a lot of simple products on there. I got this simple charcoal cleansing stick. This was £1.50. I was interested into giving this a go to see what it was like. It deeply cleanses and clarifies your pores, and it's like in a glue stick kind of deal. Do I have to twist it? You twist. Okay, maybe it's not a glue stick. It's like a rollerball kind of action, and I was interested to give that a go and see what that's like. So yeah, nice. For £1.50 you can't go wrong. And then I got this for £2.25. It's a Revitalizing Roll On, like eye roll on. I have like kind of finished my eye cream, so I wanted another one, and this has got a rollerball, so that'd be nice for puffiness in the mornings. So yeah, that's really good for that price as well. It comes in a nice little box. And then moving on to two food items, so they've got the normal like chocolates and confectionery items on there. So I got a terry chocolate orange chocolate bar. I might give this to my dad because he really likes terry chocolate orange, but then again I do as well. And I've never just seen the plain regular bar. I know they've been around, but I've always seen like the biscuit ones, but I don't want those, I want the plain one. So I got those, and then I also got some Cadbury's eclairs for £1 as well, because I do love these. I might have one in a minute. So yes, that is everything I got from Cherryz. I used the app to order everything, I believe, did I? I can't remember now. So it's really easy to look around. You can search for things. They've got loads of different categories, so it's really easy to use. Thank you for sending this to me so I could do this haul on stuff that like I would buy anyway, like cleaning stuff and like soap and chocolate and all that kind of stuff. And I did want another like USB fan and things like that, so I'm excited to use the item. So yeah, I have got a discount code for you, so I'll leave that up here. And I'll leave that in the description as well that you can use. But yeah, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you here. It's free. Just click the button below and give this a thumbs up for more hauls. I've got lots more videos coming up soon. If you're not already, please subscribe. That's what I just said. Follow me on Instagrams, link down below as well, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.